We are here at Delimara Lighthouse, which was restored a couple of years ago by the National Trust of Malta. It's a beautiful place in the southeast of Malta, near the sea. And if you listen very carefully, you can hear a lot of birds singing near the coastline. And we're going to have a look because I think there are no birds there, although you can hear their song day and night from in the lighthouse. So here we are at the coastline, and you can hear the bird songs from behind the wall. It is very loud, and it goes on until, let's say, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the evening. Malta is famous for bird trapping. They call it the bird hell. They trap 6 kinds of different finches, the golden plover, for example, and it's forbidden by EU law. Malta got a transition period when it entered the European Union, but finch trapping was faded out in 2009, but reinstalled in 2014 against EU law. So we're back at the lighthouse. We just made a small walk around the corner, and the spot where you hear this enormous sound of birds, it is actually like a fortress. It's you have walls which prevent you to have a look in. You have bushes around it, and there are people watching. So all the time we did the walk, there was a guy on the wall watching what we were doing. So they clearly know that they are doing something wrong. We are now the 29th of July, and by Maltese law, bird trapping is allowed between the 20th of October and the 31st of December. So at this time it is forbidden to trap birds, and it is by Maltese law forbidden to use electronic devices and electronic lures to attract the birds, and that's what's happening here. So even under Maltese law, which is against EU law, this is forbidden and illegal. And under EU law, it is completely illegal what is happening here. It's not only here, of course, it's in the rest of Malta. Bird trappers are catching birds. They are destroying habitats, they are burning places down to put the nets, or they are using chemicals to destroy the plants so that they can place the nets to catch these birds. And so we must hope that the court's decision will change this terrible fate, and that Malta will cease to be the bird hell it is today.